Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you are fine and enjoying your holidays. Today we are going to do a fun and exciting creative writing activity. Creative writing is the art of using our imagination to create wonderful ideas, stories, and adventures. It helps us think creatively and express our thoughts in our own words. Our topic for today is my magic tree. This is my magic tree. First, let's think together and create mind map. Now, students, close your eyes and imagine that you have a very special tree. Now, kids, tell me what is growing on it. Chocolates, lollipops, ice cream, toys. Very good. Now use our mind map to write some sentences. Let's start. This is my magic tree. Full stop. Students, always remember that every sentence will be start with capital letter and end with a full stop. Now, second, chocolates and lollipops. Chocolates and lollipops are growing on it. Full stop. Now ice cream. There are colorful ice cream ice creams on the branches. Full stop. Toys. Toys are hanging on the branches. Full stop. This is very special tree. Full stop. I love my magic tree. Full stop. Well done, students. Now you can add your own magical ideas and make your writing even more interesting. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.